Hi everybody, this is Hans from SIHGA. SIHGA was founded in 2003 by Jane Beryl Zimmer. The background was to support carpentry and timber construction companies with innovative fastening technology for their ever-growing projects. Today, with 80 employees and over 300 of its own patents, SIHGA is a well-known player in construction technology. SIHGA covers everything in this segment, from small stainless steel screws for timber facades to a complete range for multi-story timber construction and smart technology for building monitoring. Our strengths also include support, the structural analysis of individual nodes, and an extensive portfolio of design software. This is also the reason why we decided to cooperate with CLT Toolbox. It is important that timber constructors have fast and easy-to-use software tools at their disposal in order to make rapid progress with their projects. These must be of high security and quality in order to avoid misuse. CLT Toolbox offers these criteria. This is in the line with the criteria that are also at the top of SIHGA's list. We offer innovative construction technology for the future with the highest quality and safety standards.